Morning, it's just after 8:30 on Friday, May 3rd, 2024. I'm at the Manassas station, served by both VRE and Amtrak. Over there we have some old Southern Railway equipment. It's just been some old cars that have just been sitting there for who knows how long, but one's been turned into a viewing platform, interestingly. We'll be getting on a train in just a few short minutes down to Roanoke, and I'll let you know when that happens. In terms of a station tour, there's not much to go over. It's just platform and the waiting room. Very historic design though. Love the arches. It's the dimmest crossing lights I've ever seen. So I guess I should probably explain what I'm doing. I'm taking Amtrak's Northeast Regional down to Roanoke, where it terminates in the southwest, transferring to a SmartWay bus, which is operated by Valley Metro, which will take me further down to Blacksburg. And I will say this is some of the prettiest scenery I've seen on any Amtrak train I've been on, so this section of the Northeast Regional, definitely very scenic. I will still maintain that Virginia is one of the most beautiful states in the Union. Stations like under a bridge in Charlottesville. It's a little fresh air break. So this is the actual station. Platform though, it's under some random overpass. Nice lettering, but train 1, 2, 3, 5 cars, and then we'll look at way down there. So they have a scale map brick thing, I guess. It's Boston, all these bricks. New York, Philly, Baltimore, DC, Charlottesville. Keeps going. There's too many people down there, so I'll interrupt. Very cool. Perhaps Lynchburg for having an actual station. Beautiful station. Roanoke just has a platform. Just got to Roanoke, and in just over an hour I'll be getting on the SmartWay bus down to Blacksburg. So this, for a no station building station, is actually not too bad. So, just walking around downtown Roanoke, gonna go find somewhere to eat lunch. This rain, I don't think was even supposed to happen. It says it's supposed to stop in like 10 minutes, so we'll see if it does. The rain's picked up quite a bit. It's 84 degrees. Thankfully, the rain, I think, is cooling it down a little bit, but bus station's like 2 blocks that way, 2 on my right, but I got half an hour. I'm just gonna wait at the Amtrak station a bit and hope the rain stops. Apparently, the ramp at the end closest to the bus station is only for emergency use. They might want to rethink that if they know people are making bus connections. My first time seeing these, but it's destination boards for each individual bus bay with live time updates. Oh, even Greyhound stops here. 3rd Street Station. Very nice. So here's a novel idea. Take the Amtrak station, build a covered walkway to here, just have this serve as a waiting room, possibly. The wayfinding here is amazing. And there's bathrooms. I want to know why Roanoke's bus station is nicer than their train station. Like, look, wayfinding. Great, it's color-coded, very clear, easy to find. It makes it very clear that this is the bus to Blacksburg. The frequency in here also is insane. The amount of buses. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 buses in here. And I can see one coming off the overpass over there, so it's insane. It's like one bus leaves, a gazillion more come in. It's crazy. This is our bus. Slightly bigger, only one door. Not supposed to leave for another 7 minutes. On the bus, very nice coach style seats. Before we even left 3rd Street Station, our bus broke down, the brakes triggered and wouldn't release, so they actually had to send a new bus for us to continue our journey. But thankfully, the Alley Metro facility was not too far away, and we were underway soon enough. New bus. Weird half bi-level bus thing. Second bus of the day. The SmartWay is a pretty normal commuter bus route running between Blacksburg, Virginia and Roanoke, Virginia, with stops in Christiansburg and Roanoke Airport and a couple parking rides on the way. It runs usually with coach buses. We saw a couple different varieties, and it's operated by Valley Metro, which is out of Roanoke. Overall, pretty normal route, pretty comfortable ride. The information screens alternate between motivational quotes, bus stop information, and advice on how to not get hit by a bus, and then like random trivia facts. So I guess a very interesting way to put those giant TV screens on the bus to good use. But overall, very comfortable ride, very quick. We were late leaving 3rd Street Station in Roanoke, so we actually skipped a lot of the stops. I think we passed one of them and there was just no one there, so we only picked up people at the airport. So it was a pretty easy trip out to Blacksburg, so I don't have any real complaints other than we left a little bit late, but still got there at a decent time. Bus thing. It's kind of weird. Blacksburg Transit names their bus routes with letters instead of numbers. In the end, I made it to Blacksburg. Amtrak was great. We ran early at almost every station along the way. And then once we got to Roanoke, the bus transfer was not bad, except for, of course, the brakes triggering and not releasing and, needing a second bus and all. But once we got on the second bus, things ran smooth. It's a very smooth ride, very comfortable coach bus. And with that, I thank you all for watching. Please give it a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see y'all next week.